What's up, guys? Back here with another unboxing. This is our Box of Dread. Now, like I said last month, I'm really hoping that this one is better, or I'm probably not going to get it anymore. Um, I've seen other unboxings of this, not this particular month, but this box, and it's been pretty cool, so I was hoping to get some cool stuff in mine. Let's see what this one is. Kinda has a weird sound. I really hope it's not broken or anything like that. Okay, some packing paper, I'm assuming. Okay. Get rid of that. Get rid of that. And what is this? Looks like feels like a decal. Horrordecor.net. It's kind of cool. I guess it's a decal. It feels like a really high quality one. It feels like canvas almost. So that's kind of neat. Not sure what I'll do with it, but it's a cool design. What's this? Horror Buddies. Okay, I guess you cut it out and then use this to stand them up. Okay, interesting. Twilight Zone. Do love the Twilight Zone. Let's see what that is, if I can get it out of here. A puzzle. And that looks like everything, okay. So that's what we were hearing, I'm assuming. Maybe not. Oh, that does sound broken. Hopefully it's not. This is a cool little lunchbox type thing here, though. Okay. Twilight Zone lunchbox and thermos. So it's not broken. That's a good thing. Let's get rid of that. Okay. Okay, well, I mean, this is kind of cool. Not sure, still not sure if it's worth the money at all. So, well, what do you guys think? Because I don't think so. I got the decal, the Horror Buddy, little cardboard cutout, a thermos, Twilight Zone thermos, and the lunchbox. I mean, kind of a cool lunchbox. I would probably never use it. Maybe put it on a shelf somewhere, I guess. Cool classic imagery on it. Okay. Yeah. That's about all I could say about that. I think I'm probably going to cancel this one, guys. Tell me your thoughts in the comments below. Also, please like and subscribe. I should be getting my Loot Crate and Nerd Block Classic soon. I also subscribed to that brand new arcade block. They said those were shipping on the 25th, so I'll probably get it that following week. So, again, thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe. Have a good night.